In this problem, suppose Jen will get paid $55,000 per year for the rest of her life, and Max will get paid $42,000 per year for the rest of his life, but he's already made $168,000. In how many years will Jen's total earnings catch up to Max's total earnings? Set up and solve a system of equations. Be sure to define your variables. So in this case, the amount of years they've been working, that varies. So let's let X be number of years. And then the other variable is the total amount of money they've made. So let's let capital T be total earnings in dollars. So then we can come up with an equation for Jen and another equation for Max. So again, Jen's will get paid $55,000 per year for the rest of her life. So her total salary T, or total earnings T, will be $55,000 times however many years she works, so times X. Then Max, he'll get paid $42,000 per year, but he's already made $168,000. So each year, Max will get $42,000, so times however many years he's worked X, but he's also already got, meaning add on, $168,000. We've created another system of linear equations. Again, you can solve this via graphing, substitution, or elimination. Do whatever's easiest. Again, I don't recommend doing graphing unless you're told to. But also, this one is very easily solved via substitution because notice T is already isolated here. The first step in the substitution method is to isolate one of the variables, but T is already isolated here. It's actually isolated here as well. So step one is done for us. Now we're going to take the result, the 55,000x, and plug that in for T in the other equation. And we get one new equation that has no T variable in it. We get 55,000 x equals 42,000 x plus 168,000. And now we can solve this equation. That's our third step. Subtract 42,000 x from both sides, you get 13,000 x equals 168,000. Then if we divide both sides by 13,000, we get x is approximately 12.92. When we typically solve a system of linear equations, we would not be finished. We would have gotten this value of x, which is 12.92, and then we'd have to plug this back into one of the original equations to find the value of t. But notice here the question is just in how many years will Jen's total earnings catch up to Max's total earnings. It doesn't ask how much will the total money be then. So this is all I actually need to get. Again, with an application, you need to say it in words what this means. In 12.92 years, you could round that to 13 if you'd like, but in 12.92 years, their salaries, or their total earnings in their careers will be the same.